Hello Adobe Express users, want to organize your text with bullet points? It's super easy, let's get started. First, open Adobe Express and either create a new project or open your existing design. Do you prefer bullet points or numbered list? Let me know in the comments below. To add a bullet point, look for the text toolbar and find the bullet point icon. You can usually find this under the formatting options like bold or italic. Tap on the bullet point icon and a bullet will appear at the beginning of your line. Type your text and press enter or return to add more bullet points. Each new line will automatically be a new bullet point. You can customize your bullet points by changing the size, color or fonts of the bullets to fit your design style. And that's it. Your text is now perfectly organized with bullet points. If your bullet points are not showing up, make sure you are selecting the correct text box and that the font you have chosen supports bullet points. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.